Okay, so it's a good time of year up here in Michigan because the asparagus is starting to come in and it's delicious. So what I am going to do here is I'm going to cook me some of this. Plain and simple. much longer. Okay, these are about getting close to done. And I'm not going to make you watch me eat it, but I'm going to let you look at it right before I do. There it is. Fresh asparagus. Just cooking away there. Look at that. Cool. Okay, so the asparagus is done. I'm just waiting for it to cool down and I'm going to dig in. And it's a good thing too, because the sun's going down. That's my little take on an off-grid dinner for a guy by himself. Out of the way. You know, I got the two tables, and one's shorter than the other. You can kind of get on the shorter table, and the wind's always coming this way.
That was boogie boogie. That's off in Nebraska by Springsteen.
I got a pre-roll if you don't feel like rolling, Gare.
I don't mind. I'll roll it up.
So, well, as soon as you started jamming, I'm like, yeah, the chorus isn't right for this. So I just started turning the depth of it down, not the volume, right? And I'm thinking he just won't notice if I take it out of there nice and slow. And you just reached over and clicked it off, right? I didn't catch you doing it.
You ever heard this? It's an old tune. It goes, just give me some kind of sign, girl. Oh, my baby.
All old Motown.
It's Brenton Wood. I don't know what label he was on. Mostly E, D, and then it get this climb up. Just give me some kind of sign, girl. Oh, my baby, show me that you're mine, girl. sugar. When I'm down, wearing a frown, you'll be there when I look around. Just give me some kind of sign, girl. Oh, my baby, show me that you're mine, girl. All right. Give me some kind of sign, girl. Oh, my darling, show me that you're mine, girl. All right. Give me a little sweet talk. If you don't need me, don't leave me on, girl. Give me a loving, give me a little sugar. When I'm down, wearing a frown, you'll be there when I look around. Just give me some kind of sign, girl. Oh, my baby, show me that you're mine, girl. All right. Give me some kind of sign, girl. Oh, my darling, show me that you're mine, girl. All right. I wish I knew Oogum Boogum, but Oogum Boogum's hard to
Take a
say.
break.
Oogum Boogum's hard to
Let's
say.
talk to Gary for a minute.
That's, yeah.
I lit up this guitar. I lit up the cigar because I thought I was going to be playing, and now I'm smoking the stogie. It's going to make me blue.
You're gonna get green around the gills.
They're
man.
nice when you're playing because you just let them burn. Yeah, just leave that here. I ain't worried about that guitar.
Worry about me.
Join the club, Ed.
I got a shirt I might go get on.
You know what my little brother always says?
What's that?
He goes, I know exactly what I'm talking about. I just forget what you call it.
That makes sense to me.
Everything I know is organized ignorance. Manipulation of ideas. Ideas is human. Everyone knows. Others knows it. You know, I read this article, and they said, within the music, already lived longer than I ever thought I would. I've done a lot of things I never thought I could. My love is easy, my little girl knows how. I got a strong suspicion that I'm getting happy now. Gonna mess with my cat, I'm gonna play with my dog, gonna love up my woman, I'm gonna sleep like a log. My love is easy, my little girl knows how. I got a strong suspicion that I'm getting happy now. Love is easy. My little girl knows how. I got a strong suspicion that I'm getting happy now. Said I'm happy now. Yeah, I'm getting happy now. Said I'm happy now. Yeah, I'm getting happy now.